Good morning students, welcome in online classes. My dear student, the day before yesterday we have discussed about that executive power of the president and emergency power of the president. Today our topic is the legislative power of the president. The president enjoy many legislative power like that each and every bill become an act after the assent of president, means legislation of the bill, means it is each and every bills those are passed by the parliament become a law after the assent of the president. This is the first legislative power of the president. In your book also given, the president has power to give his or her assent. Assent means signature before all bill can become a law, means after the signature or after his assent or her assent, before a bill can become a law. Each and every bill became a law after the assent of the president. This is the first legislative power of the president. After that, the president of India is allowed to withhold or return any bill sent by the parliament for his or her assent without any asset. Without any asset, a president can return a bill again into the parliament if the president is not satisfied a bill, if he feel that the bill is not according to the provision of the constitution, then the president of India can return the bill again into the parliament. It is also a legislative power of the president. Then after, the president has right to address either house or both house assembled together, means joint session, means it has power, a right to the president what address the houses, address the house, बुलावा भेजना, address करना, and also joint session also assembled together by both the houses. It has also a right of the president. It is also a legislative power of the president. The president may summon and prorogue means discontinue a session. A president can may summon बुलावा भेजना and prorogue means discontinue a session of the two houses and can dissolve the Lok Sabha. Those through this can only be done on the advice of the Council of Ministers, means the president has power to summon the two houses and can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the advice of the Council of Minister. ये भी इसका एक पावर है, प्रेसिडेंट सम्मन करना, बुलावा भेजना, दोनों हाउस की बैठक. द सेशन स्टार्टेड आफ्टर द सम्मनिंग ऑफ द president. It is also a legislative power of the president, and the president also can dissolve the Lok Sabha before his expiry term on the advice of the Council of Minister. It is also a legislative power. So dear students, if you see that all of the legislative power are without approval of the president cannot be complete. After that, issue the ordinances. The president has power. The president can issue the ordinance when the parliament is not in session. Ordinance, what is meaning of ordinance? Ordinance is a temporary law. Ordinance is a temporary law. If the parliament is not in session, that time the president can issue the ordinances which have the same power as an act or law during the recess of the parliament. Recess means when the parliament is not in session, the president can issue the ordinances. It must, however, be presented in parliament within 6 weeks or its resembling, means ordinance की validity कितनी होती है, 6 weeks की होती है. So these all are the legislative power of the president. I hope that all of you are able to understand the first power, assent the bill, each and every bill assent by the president. Before assent the bill of the president, the bill cannot become an act. So each and every bill become an act after the assent of the president. It is the legislative power. Second, the president has also having the power without assent of the bill, the president can return the bill in the parliament for again consideration. After that, the president has also the power to address both the house of the parliament and assemble together joint session, and president also has power to summon and prorogue the two houses and can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the advice of the Council of Minister. And After that, the president also can issue the ordinances. Ordinances, what is ordinance? Many times the question is asked. Actually, ordinance is a temporary law. When the parliament is not in session, that time the president of India is responsible to issue the ordinances. It is a temporary law. The validity of the ordinance is only 6 weeks. After that, the parliament members are assembling, and then after they discuss on the next topic. Next topic is vice president. After the president, the vice president is elected by the member of both the house of the parliament. Means the vice president of India elected by both the houses member, means member of Lok Sabha and member of Rajya Sabha. The vice president of India is elected by members of both the house of parliament. He or she must be an Indian citizen. He or she must be an Indian citizen who should have complete 35 years of age. The vice president holds office for a period of 5 years and is the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. Yes, this is truly correct. The vice president of India, known as the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. The president of India elected by both the house of the parliament at the age of 35 years of the age, and he also must be citizen of India. The vice president takes the place of the president. कभी कभी ऐसा भी होता है कि वाइस प्रेसिडेंट को प्रेसिडेंट जैसा काम करना पड़ता है. इन केस ऑफ फॉल्स इल्स, यदि प्रेसिडेंट का स्वास्थ्य सही ना हो, that time the vice president is responsible to do all act and advise according to the president. His has resigned. If the president give the resign from their post before his expiry term, that time the vice president is responsible to take the position and power of the president. Many times, if the president is not present in country, means is away from the country, भारत से कहीं दूर हो, that time vice president is the taken all charges of the president of India. In case of died, if the president has died before his expiry term and a new president is at to be elected, that time the vice president is responsible to do their work as an act of the charges of the president of India. So there are very important. Vice president elected by the member of both the house of the parliament. He or she must be an Indian citizen at the complete age of 35 years or above the 35 year. The president of India, the vice president of India can hold office of profit a period of 5 years, and the vice president of India is also known as the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha. My dear student, after that we have discussed about that prime minister, what is the qualification for the prime ministers, and after that what is the power and functions of the prime minister. So this is the last topic of this chapter. Maybe the day after tomorrow your holiday, summer vacation started, but if the summer vacation is finally started the day after tomorrow, then we again send the video after summer vacation. Otherwise we provide you the rest part of answer of this chapter, like that answer number E, answer in brief and answer in detail. Thank you.